Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals, and today what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of a really cool product. But before I dive in, I just want to send a big thank you and a big shout out to Strock for making this video possible. As I always say, I really do appreciate it when companies reach out to us smaller content creators and give us the opportunity to review their products and give our 100% honest opinion. So a big thank you and a big shout out going to Strock for making this video possible. That being said, what I have here for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Strock Q-Pace True Wireless Magnetic Earbuds. Alright? So what we're going to do today in this video is we're going to unbox it. I'm going to give y'all my first impressions. We're going to go through some of the features and then we're going to wrap this video up. So starting off with the packaging and presentation before we crack into the box, and as y'all can see, I already cut all the tapes and seals and got rid of all the plastic, so hopefully we got hashtag minimal struggles on this one. But talking about the packaging and presentation, I feel as though Strock has done a great job. I really like this color scheme. The black and orange color scheme is a nice touch. You can see we got a nice diagram or picture of the product up front. We got some company branding around the side with a slogan here, company branding up top here, and then on the sides we just got some headlining features here. So you can see this bad boy supports button-free power on and off. All you have to do to power it on is disconnect the magnetic clasp and it powers on, and if you want to power it off, you just reconnect the magnetic clasp and it powers off. So really easy on and off functionality, should make it extremely convenient and easy to use. Okay, you can see this bad boy is packing Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity on board, so we get to truly live that hashtag wireless lifestyle. Really good stuff. And they're also highlighting that this bad boy has a aluminum housing, so this should be made out of some premium materials right here. Flipping it to the bottom, we got the company website right there. Okay, flipping it to this side, we got some more specifications right here. So it has a 9-hour runtime. It does have IPX5 waterproofing and sweat resistance, and it's supposed to be able to give you some really good call quality, and built-in microphones means that you could take advantage of your voice assistant for whatever platform you're using, whether it be Android, iOS, or Windows. So really good stuff there. Flipping it to the back, we can see we got some more information here. So we just got everything that comes in the package. Let me give y'all a little close-up of that. We do have a 24/7 customer support address. So really good stuff there. So if you run into any issues, they should get you sorted quick, fast, and in a hurry. And we have 1-year limited warranty. So not bad at all. All right. And I got to tell y'all some other key features as to why this bad boy really caught my eye when Strock reached out is that this bad boy has a really good feature set on board. I mean, it's got a 1-hour charge time. Okay, you got the IPX5 water resistance rating. It's supposed to have some really good high dynamic drivers for a really good sound and really good call quality. And we already touched on some of the other features so far. So really good stuff there. Okay, now let's crack into the box and see what we're working with. So removing the lid, you can see we have our warranty registration barcode scanner slip right here. So you definitely want to make sure you activate your 1-year warranty within 14 days of your purchase. So really nice to see that. Good stuff there. And then flipping it over to the other side, this also doubles as a thank you card. So if you enjoy their product, let them know. If you don't enjoy their product, let them know. And again, you see the customer support email address right down there. So good stuff. Put this off to the side. Then y'all can see we got a really nice carrying pouch, really solid material here. really beefy carrying pouch. Got a little bit of company branding on the zipper here. Really nice. So when you're not using the earbuds, you can stow everything in its included carrying pouch. And then on the bottom, or in the bottom of the package, we just have a user manual. Let me take this out. We're going to cover this last before we wrap up the video. And then there's nothing else in the package. So let's close this up and put this off to the side. All right. Now let's take a deeper dive into the included carrying case, which also houses all the accessories and the earphones. Let's go. So opening this up, hopefully with minimal struggles. All right, there we go. I try to do everything to avoid minimal struggles, and I still end up struggling. So y'all can see inside of the packaging here, we got the charging cable. Bam, right there. So this is USB-A to micro USB. So kind of sad to see that. Would have loved to have seen USB Type-C, but it does look like a nice quality cable. The cable looks pretty beefy, so that's not too bad. All right, put that off to the side. Then we got a bunch of different ear tips, wing tips right here. So you can definitely find the right size and the right fit for you. And I really like the fact that Strock also included the wing tips. So not only do you get your earbud tips for a really nice and comfy fit, but you get your wing tips, so you should also have a secure fit as well, and it shouldn't really slide out of your ears. So you can see you get your ear tips in small, medium, and large, and you get an additional medium set of tips already on the buds, and then you get your wing tips in small, medium, and large, but the small and the medium are included, and the large wing tips are already on the earbuds. So really nice, and Strock gives you everything that you need to start using these bad boys out of the box. So here is just everything all piled together here, and everything is really neatly labeled as well. Now, I'm sorry, I'm kind of making a mess with it, but here's all your included wing tips and ear tips. Really good stuff there. And then also inside the package here, we have the earbuds themselves. All right, so you can see this is your traditional necklace style earbuds with your magnetic clasp right here. Looking real good. And they got your cable management clip already pre-applied. So good stuff there. And then if we take a closer look at the earbuds, you can see the earbuds themselves do have some nice company branding on them. And as I said, the earbuds are already pre-applied. You get an extra set of mediums, and they do have some nice labels on the wingtips, as you can see there. So this is the right side, and this is the left side, okay? And then if you pop it open, you can see we got some nice company branding right here on each ear tip or earbud. All right, and then when you open it up, as you can see, it automatically powered on because I opened it up, so you can see it's flashing and it's going into pairing mode. And that's that easy open power on. And then if I clasp it back together, you're gonna see here, let me show you real quick, it's gonna power off. So pay attention to that light, and you can see it powered off because I clasped it back together. So real easy, power on, power off, really easy pairing mode as well with that. And then right down here, we have our main housing with all of our buttons and our charging port. So you can see we got volume up and down, we got skip, play, pause, and then we got a micro USB charging port right here with a nice little finger groove in it, so you can easily pop that off. So let me open this up and show you real fast. So you open it up and then you spin it to the side, and then you got access to your micro USB charging port. So real easy to open, real easy to use, not bad. And there's also some nice company branding on it as well. And then when you're not using it, you can just close it up just like so. Bam, just like that. And then if we flip it around so you can see the company branding, there you go. Really nice company branding as well. So really nice overall product in my opinion. And I gotta tell y'all, let me just grab the earbuds real quick. Oh yeah, this is cool to the touch. So I definitely think this is made out of aluminum. Very nice cold feel. I like that. Alright, so good stuff. And that's everything that comes in the package. So you get the charging cable, you get the earbuds, you get the wing tips, you get the earbud tips, and you get a nice little carrying case. Okay? And y'all saw you can indeed fit everything in here as I already showed y'all. So really good stuff there. Alright? Now what I want to do before I go through the user manual with y'all is I just want to try them on real quick. I'm going to take a few selfies because this is definitely a style of earbuds that you could wear in a few different styles. And I'm going to show it to y'all. Then we're going to walk through the user manual and then we're going to wrap this video up. So really good stuff. Let's go. So now just let me throw it on my head real quick. And I'm going to give y'all a live first impressions of the fit and the feel. So put the left side in the left. Put the right side in the right. And it went into pairing mode. But we're not going to connect it to my device just yet. Probably going to wait till a little bit after the video. So putting it in. Oh yeah, it went right in. It's got a really nice fit to it. Let me do the shake test real fast. Oh yeah, I'm shaking pretty vigorously. It's not popping out. Oh, and the sound isolation is really good. I can barely hear myself talk. Not bad, not bad at all. Let me grab my phone. Let's take a quick selfie. A quick couple of selfies actually. Got that Pixel 2 XL on deck. Okay. Give y'all a side profile with the cable underneath the chin. Bam. Give y'all a side profile with the cable behind the neck. Flip this over. Bam. There we go. And let me just show y'all. So here y'all go with the two different styles. So underneath the chin. And you can see you can also tighten up the cable management clip. So you got just as much access cable as you want or need. And you can see it fits pretty nicely in the ears as well. So this is underneath the chin. Good stuff. And then we got behind the neck. Good stuff. Now, with these style of earbuds, I really like to wear them behind the neck. So I'm probably going to leave it like this for my duration of the review process. But it's pretty cool that you could wear it in either style. And it actually looks pretty good. And I got a nice, tight, secure fit. So not bad at all. Okay? Good stuff there. Alright, so real quick first impressions of the fit and the overall feel. It's pretty good in my opinion. Alright? So now let me take these out real quick. Oh yeah, I had that nice tight seal. I hope I wasn't talking too loud into the microphone for y'all. Let's rest these down. Let me close them back up so they power themselves off. Bam, got saved juice. I'm probably going to end up charging it anyway to full charge before I start using it. But now before we get up out of here, let's briefly walk through the user manual because I know some of you guys and gals like to see the user manual in the unboxing and first impressions. So let's go. And as always, if anything is unclear, I'll throw up the screenshots in post. Alright? And all of the important stuff, I'm going to make sure we go over in depth in the full review. So let's get into this. So really nice company branding, really nice slogan. Again, this is the Q-Pace True Wireless Magnetic Earbuds. Alright, and again, we got the company support down at the bottom. So if you run into any issues, you should be good to go. Flipping it open, you can see everything that's included. So we got the earbuds, we got the wing tips, we got the ear tips, the charging cable, and the carrying case. Really good stuff there. Charging steps. Right there. Okay. Flipping the page. Pairing steps. Okay, we're going to go over all of this stuff in the full review. Alright, not bad. Okay. Finding the perfect fit for you. Adjusting the wing tips. Adjusting the ear tips. That's a very important process to go through. This way you guarantee that you get the best performance out of the earbuds. So you definitely want to pay attention to finding the best fit or the perfect fit. Okay. Alright, and then it's just showing you how to adjust the ear tips, how to adjust the wing tips, and how to angle it so you get the best fit. And then it's also giving you some tips on the cable management and adjusting the cable management clip. Alright, so good stuff there. Alright, and then if we keep flipping here, it's showing you how easy it is to power on and off. Right there. Okay, and then we got the button controls on this side. Not bad at all. Okay, flipping the page. We have our phone call controls. All right, and then we have our troubleshooting steps. Okay, so if you run into any issues, they walk you through how to troubleshoot some things. And then you can also feel free to reach out to the 24/7 customer support. All right. Okay. And then lastly, again, got their contact information right here. And that's all she wrote. So really straightforward and easy user manual. Oh, there's one more page. Oh yeah, my bad, y'all. One more page. And then we get the breakdown of all the specs. So Bluetooth 5.0, 10-meter range or 33 feet, 9-hour playtime, 2-hour charge time. Now it said 1 hour. It said 1 hour on the box and on the website, but it says 2 hours in the user manual. We're going to put that to the test. The battery in the earbuds is 60 milliamp hours. Okay. It's got a 8.6 millimeter driver. So good stuff there. And it is indeed made out of aluminum. All right. Not bad at all. And then we have some maintenance and care steps and warranty information right here. Okay, and now we are officially done. That's it. That's the last page. And on the back, got some recycling steps. Please, guys, please make sure you dispose of your electronics properly. If you're done with something, don't just throw it out. Take the time to recycle it or dispose of it properly, please. We only got one planet. Please protect your environment, y'all. All right, that pretty much does it for the user manual. So, and guys and gals, that pretty much does it for this video. So that has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Strock Q-Pace True Wireless Magnetic Earbuds. Now, my full review for these should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so you guys and gals be on the lookout for that. You also be on the lookout for my fit and sound demo, so y'all can get an idea in depth of how these will potentially fit and how they may sound for you. Okay, so y'all be on the lookout for that, and everything will culminate with my full review. Okay, so I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. We are out of here.